Good morning, guys. So, I need to brush my hair, but I just finished getting dressed and everything. I'm gonna brush my hair and then I'm gonna go downstairs and probably salt the sidewalk because it just snowed. I'm not gonna wear makeup today. Only because it's kind of cold. I don't really want to do it either. But we're going to a car meet today. And still a little sick. Feel a lot better. Like, this is the best I've felt since I had gotten sick. So the only thing really that's bothering me is my nose, and I have like a slight scratchy feeling in my throat, but that's really it. My birthday is in 9 days, and I was gonna do a big party, but I'm not really feeling a big party right now. So me and my fiance, we're gonna go do something together, and then the weekend after my birthday, this Saturday, I'm gonna have cake with my family and stuff, and with his family. So you guys will see all of that. Oh, looks beautiful. We're on our way there, but we just stopped for pictures. I need to dye my hair so bad. That looks disgusting. But yeah, we're stopping for pictures. We're trying to get all the ice off the truck. My nose hurts. So yeah. It's not that far from where we live. It's probably about half hour to 45 minutes. So we're already on our way there, and we're there a little early because we weren't sure how long it was gonna take us. So it's probably 9 something, and the guy that invited us told us to be there by 10. So that's what we're doing, but it's by a restaurant that we've never been to before, and we go to places like obviously not too far from us, but we drive all the time, and it's really cool. It's like a train station or something like that. So I'll show you guys when we get there, but yeah, I just thought it was cool. Yeah, so I'll just basically show you guys everything as the day goes on. He's vlogging, guys. He's doing it. Okay, so I'm sitting in the truck because my boyfriend just got out to go meet the people. I'm actually kind of hiding behind this guy's truck. I don't know if you can see, it looks really good. I'll have to show you. But yeah, so we've been here for a while. When we got here, there was like 2 dudes here, and we were like, okay, maybe they're not like here for it. So we pulled in the back. Well, not really. It's like you go in like this, and then it's like a big circle, and then so we pulled in on this side, or it's like a horseshoe. So we pulled it over here, and they were on the other side. And then we're like, all right, we don't really know, like, because we didn't know anybody that was gonna be here. And then some other dudes pulled up, and then the guy that, yeah. So the lighting isn't that great, but yeah. So we were parked over there, and there was like a bunch of people here already. So yeah, I don't really know, but I'm just gonna show you real quick. But those wheels are sick. The truck is pretty big. Yeah, it looks like a field trip. Right. But we're at our second destination now, and it's actually Quabbin. And yeah, they went up to some tower, and I'm really scared of heights, so I didn't go with them. But they're actually on their way back now. and yeah, it just really didn't go, and my hair looks crazy, and I keep fixing it, but there's no way to fix it because it's freshly washed. But yeah, so in the front we got Keith. He's driving a Ford F-150, I think. And then we have a stock Ford F-150 behind him, I think. Chevy Silverado in front of us. And then there... Oh no, Keith's behind us. What the heck? When did that happen? I'm so confused. Okay. Who's in front? I have no idea what's going on right now. Okay. Anyway, Keith is behind us. He's in that big truck back there that I showed you guys earlier. And so we have two Fords. We have our Durango, and then we have a Dodge Ram Charger with us. And then we have the Chevy. And then we have a Jeep. Jeep's in the back. So, the Jeep is really nice. It has really big tires. But, yet again, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I should bust out the tripod, but they're, like, walking away, and I'm, like, really nervous because I've never recorded in front of, like, a group of people before. So I hope they don't see me. But now this is our second destination, or third in Quabbin. But we're at, like, this water. That's the Dodger. That was the ram I was telling you guys about, but yeah. It's beautiful. I definitely feel a lot better than the other day. I still have, like, a slight cough. And my nose is still stuffed up, but my throat, oh my god, feels so much better. The last few days, my throat has literally been, like, on fire. And now it feels good. But yeah. They're all, I'm gonna see if I can get them. I don't know. I don't want to feel awkward. But I'm gonna try and get them. They're all up there taking pictures and stuff. They don't mind being recorded for my video. But we'll have to see. I will double check with everybody and make sure they're okay with being on camera if I get them in a shot. Because obviously, like, that's wrong if I didn't. But yeah, so I'll just talk to you guys in a little bit again, I guess. I don't know. I hope this vlog is gonna be good because I just wanted to do a vlog today. I haven't vlogged in a while. But yeah, we can do countdown vlogs. But anyway, 9 days to my birthday. I think I already said this, but 9 days. I'm really excited. So we're gonna vlog until my birthday. So I'll see you guys later. God, you turn up. Sugar Boy's gone.
Yeah. It's only 12:30. We've only been out for 10 hours. I feel like I can get it.
Actually, we've been out since like 8:39.
Well, we have, but...
Yeah, we've been with them.
And we haven't rushed. We were taking our time.
Yeah.
We were having fun. And we still made it out. Are we out of Quabbin yet? I don't even
Nope.
know where we are.
Well, I mean, yeah, technically. We came out of the Quabbin. We're on a street. But the windshield
That's where we entered, isn't it?
I don't know. The windshield's dirty, so it keeps focusing on the windshield.
Yeah, because I said I'd pull it there. I just realized why they did it. See how bad it was?
Yeah. was funny because we were just talking about the Red Clifford or whatever it was.
Yeah,
the truck, and then he was talking about it.
Oh, they were talking.
Yeah, that's what they were talking about.
Because I was like, that does not look like your Instagram. Because I was gonna be like, you're Clifford? I was looking on his page, and I was like, well, like, I thought that was you, but it wasn't.
You know, that's what they were talking about. One of his friends seeing the Clifford guy, and then texting this dude, or something like that.
It's still small car, brother. But it might be this area. We just came from this area.
Yeah. They're lining up.
I should probably end up turning here.
Yep, because he almost just went into the other F-150. Oh yeah, no. Keith's tires were just spinning.
I'll be able to get out of here.
Coming up next is this year's Summer Anthem Radio Jam by Ryan Elcher.
Oh my goodness. Come on, it's this little big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm assuming they only went this way.
Yeah. We went to his house.
I'm glad I didn't bring the Explorer.
Yeah, we would not be able to make it with the Explorer.
Not which way?
Not that way. I'm gonna assume that way. That way, somebody's house, unless he brought us to his house.
No, because the guy didn't know where he was.
Yeah.
Keith was like, there's another place a few minutes from here. He was like, where?
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Unless Keith brought us to his house.
Slow, but it waited.
How sweet.
I just hope I don't blow a fucking ball joint or something. Oh.
But it was fun. I'm definitely shaking. I'm nervous. But it was really a lot of fun. There's like random people's houses up here. So I have to pee though. This is not good. We're like an hour from the house. At least an hour. I have to pee. We haven't eaten yet. We've been out here for quite a while. I mean, not in this area, but we've been with these guys for quite a while. Horse. Look at them. They're so cute. And I would love to live out here. I think it would be nice. But yeah, I need to brush my hair again. And I've had so much fun today. My throat is starting to feel a little scratchy again. But that could just be because it's cold out. And it is cold. I'm pretty cold, but I've had a lot of fun. But this Jeep, man, it's gorgeous. But yeah, they're definitely gonna do some more in the spring, which I'm very happy about. It'll be nicer and everything, so I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure where we are, like, at all. He almost fell. But yeah, I don't really know much about where we are or anything. There was 6 of us, and now there's only 4 of us. So 2 of them definitely left. Well, obviously they left, but yeah. But I hope these people come again when we have another one, cause all these people that came this time were really nice. So definitely next time that we do something like this, I hope there's they're all nice. And it's snowing. I think we're somewhere I honestly don't know, but I can't tell if it's snowing or if it's because of the trees, to be honest. So yeah, so I've literally been in the truck all day because I'll help you guys up. I haven't done this in a while. I just don't want to get out my tripod. But yeah, literally basically been in the truck all day. We've been driving around with these guys. They're really nice, like really nice. I know I keep saying it, but they are. But yeah, this was our first time off-roading and meeting like a big group of like car people, or I guess like trucks, because it was all trucks. It was keep wanting to call him Kenneth. His name is Keith with a big F-150. Some other kid, I don't know his name, with a Chevy, and then us, and then there was some other kid who was really, really nice with a Dodge Ram Charger. And then this guy with a Jeep, he kind of reminds me of someone that I went to school with. And then there was another guy that was with, that had an F-150 that was red. So, sorry, I'm really cold and I have to pee. I think this was our last stop of the little, like, run that we did or whatever. Because we kind of just drove around. We've been with them since 10:30-ish. And it's 2. A little under like 4 hours. So now we're gonna try to find our way out of here and then get home. So we just got home. It's about 4:30 and my mother-in-law was watching Beauty and the Beast. I'm so excited. I love this movie so much. But yeah, we just got home. Filming. That was my mother-in-law. But yeah. Yeah, we had fun. I'm not really gonna vlog much because we're home, but yeah, I'll see you later.
Okay. Wish my truck luck. Just kidding. Oh, that truck sounds bad. Ooh. Other way. Straight. All right. It's my baby. Look at her go. Both my babies.
So I just drove for the first time in a long time, and I didn't even get to show you guys because there's no stinking mount in this car, and there's nowhere to set it up for where it would stay. So I kind of didn't get to show you guys. I'll see if my boyfriend has a clip that I can put in maybe. But yeah, I just drove for the first time, and it was pretty fun. I definitely have a lot of anxiety when I first get. A little bit, yeah. Yep.
Yeah.